Love is a beautiful thing, but sometimes it can be complicated. When we feel distanced or disconnected from our partners, it can be lonely and difficult. Sexual disconnection is a common problem that many people face. Trauma, anxiety, shame, and fear can all contribute to this disconnection. But there is hope. At Romance and Reality, we offer a safe and confidential space for you to discuss your concerns without judgment. Our specialist specializes in holistic sex educator and can help you improve your sexual quality of life. Founder of Romance and Reality, Bailey Barmettler, understands the importance of sexual connection and has made it her mission to assist individuals and couples in enhancing their sexual relationships. Don't let sexual disconnection continue to impact your life. Reach out to us today to schedule a free consultation and take the first step toward a more fulfilling relationship. Romance and Reality, connecting hearts, restoring passion. Reach out today to schedule a free consultation. romanceandreality.com